In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an audio player to Shopify. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click that. This will show you a list of your themes with your current theme at the very top. Find that theme and click Edit Theme. This will open the theme editor where you can change how your store looks and behaves. Inside the theme editor, look again at the left panel where all your sections and templates are listed. Here, you want to add a new section. Click Add Section, and a pop-up will appear with different section types you can use. From this list, choose Custom Liquid. This section lets you add custom code to your page. Once you've added it, you can drag and drop this new Custom Liquid section up or down in the left panel to adjust where the audio player will appear on your page. Next, click on the Custom Liquid section you just added. This will open its settings on the left side, and you'll see a large text box where you can paste code. In that box, paste the same code shown in the original guide or provided in your documentation. If you're following along from a reference, you may want to pause to carefully copy the code. After you paste it, look at the live preview on the right side of the screen. You should now see an audio player appear in the preview. Now, to connect your actual audio file, go back to your main Shopify admin dashboard. On the left panel, look for Content and click it. This will expand more options underneath. Choose Files. Here you'll see a list of all files currently uploaded to your store. If your audio file is not yet uploaded, click Add Files at the top right of the file list, then select and upload the audio file from your computer. Once the file has finished uploading, find it in your list of files. Hover your mouse over that file, and on the right side you'll see a copy link icon. Click that to copy the file's URL to your clipboard. Head back to your online store editor where you pasted the custom liquid code. In the code, look for the placeholder text that says something like your audio file URL. Select that placeholder and replace it with the link you just copied. After pasting, check the preview on the right again and click the play button on the audio player to test that your audio is working correctly. If everything looks and sounds good, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. Once saved, your audio player is now live on your Shopify store.